So throughout my journey as a product junkie, yes, I finally admitted that, I noticed that my hair thrives the most when I use DIY products. So you already know what's coming up next. Here are my favorite DIY products that helped my hair thrive. First up is Natural 85's Mayo Deep Conditioner. It's a combination of mayonnaise, honey, and an egg. This is packed with the perfect balance of protein as well as moisture. This was my go-to deep conditioner when I first transitioned to natural. And I could be wrong here, but I swore that it made my hair grow faster. The only reason I stopped using it was, well, it smelled like mayonnaise. Next up is bentonite clay. This has been wonderful as a detox for my hair and my scalp. I mix the clay with apple cider vinegar, aloe vera gel, and for the scent, I'll just add whichever essential oils I want, depending on what mood I'm in. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I make my clay mask, you already know I got a video for you, and the link is in the description. I don't think I could ever part with this next one. I mean, this one is bae. And if you guessed that I'm talking about Michael B. Jordan, that's a great guess, but no. I am talking about my homemade flaxseed gel. Man, this moisturizing gel has been so good to me and my hair, and making the gel is so simple. I just take 1/4 cup of flax seeds, add 2 cups of water, and then just bring it to a boil, making sure to stir it often. Once the water begins to thicken, I know that the gel is ready. From there, I just simply strain out the seeds, and then I'm left with this wonderful moisturizing gel. Oh, I just love this gel so much, but it does not give me enough hold to achieve a wash and go. I gotta call in reinforcements for that one, but it's still bae. Next is the newest addition to the family, and that is Fenugreek Seeds. When I first shared that I was suffering from excessive shedding and hair loss, Fenugreek Seeds were highly suggested by my viewers, so you know I had to give them a shot. Now I noticed a difference after just one use. My hair felt stronger, it was more moisturized, and my shedding was almost non-existent. This is because the seeds have a high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are both known to be beneficial against hair fall, dandruff, and also treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of the hair, baldness, and even hair thinning. So I have used them in several different ways. I've made a tea out of them, both to drink and to spray on my hair daily. And I've also soaked them overnight and then grinded them up to a paste and then used them as a deep conditioner. Now, this was really hard to get out of my hair, so now I just prefer to grind them up into a powder and then just add them to a deep conditioner. Let me know if you'd like an in-depth video on how I prepare the seeds. I am confident that they will remain in my regimen for life. Next up is something that I never thought would replace my baby shea butter, but once I stumbled upon mango butter, it was a wrap. A wrap, I tell you. Because of its moisture-rich and healing properties, mango butter has been clutch when it comes to keeping my hair feeling healthy and moisturized. It also helps with restoring elasticity to my hair strands, which result in much less breakage. I simply use the mango butter as my cream when I do the LOC method, and then I am good to go. Just keep in mind that mango butter is solid at room temperature, so I just took a hand mixer, and although this takes forever to do, I just whipped it up, and eventually it came out to be like the texture of whipped cream, and it's just so much easier to go onto the hair. Actually, I use it for my whole body, but for this video, I'm using it for my hair. But just whipping it up with a hand mixer makes it so much easier to use. Now, if DIY products just isn't your thing, check out this video where I show you exactly how to shop for hair products specifically for your hair. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Nicotinic acid, nicotinic resistant. This is because the seeds have high protein and nicotinic acid content. Lord, pray for me. I meant nicotinic acid. That's the word, nicotinic acid. Nicotinic. I said nicotinic though. Did that.